Taking us to our last DPIN story of the day.
ArDrive has released a mobile app. So for the same reason that someone might use Dropbox or something else, either because you want to have cloud storage of stuff that's on your device, or if you want to actually offload some of the things that you would normally be capturing onto your device onto the cloud, you can do so on the PermaWeb. Now you can do it directly onto ArDrive is built on top of the Arweave network, so you can actually put your stuff in a permanent way, and ArDrive actually wraps security around it so that you can have encrypted private files, stuff like that. So you can really just think of this very similar to Google Drive or Dropbox, anything else like that. So now they've released a mobile app, very, very cool. Specifically, it's an Android app. If you go to their site, you can see it's an Android app, but they do have this little button here for install on iOS. And then they show you exactly how you go about it. So it's definitely one of the advantages of the Play Store is that you can get things up a lot faster, a lot easier. But so the point is, there is the ability for you to install it on either Android or iOS. In this case, it's kind of just a web app that you add the icon to your home screen, so it works exactly the same. But very awesome, very exciting. I haven't installed it yet myself, but I will be, because I love the overall Arweave community, the ArDrive specific platform itself, and I would definitely like a little bit more storage on my device and not have to depend on a centralized cloud.
Right?
So,
yeah.
congratulations
Congrats, guys.
to them. Very
That's
awesome.